What is up, guys? Today I'm checking out the new Gorilla Tag update with the new basement, mazes and monkeys. I'm gonna see all the new cosmetics, check out the new map. I don't really like this update that much, so I'm not even gonna buy the free badge. What's the dice? Okay. Bro, what it? This is VMT's fit right now. Hillbilly. Just the dice. Can I throw it? I can. Oh, it's like a long line. What just happened? Hold on, did somebody else join? This is a... Okay. Gorilla Tag currently is not working for me right now. I don't know why. But Samurai looks good. This is bow. This paint. Why are the arrows so small? Is this paintball? It is. It's now like I'm better at doing it like this. So like I'll be shooting like this. Yeah, I'm bad at shooting at bows, but some. What? Oh. Whoa, what? Oh, it's supposed to breathe fire. It doesn't right now. Like, nothing wants to function now. See, exactly. Exactly, see? Oh, guys, looking at the thing. Time to check out the map. I don't know why, like, my thing is so messed up. I want to show you this.
I just saw him.
Huh?
It always glitches you when you try to get
Bro, why is my name Money?
No, it's no, that's the sticky.
Wait, why is my name changed now?
Sticky trap.
I just wanted to make a good video about. I just wanted to make a good video about what this game was about.
Run.
I mean, not what the game was about, what the new update was about. And now, something's happening with, like, all my stuff. And now I just heard a balloon pop. What, are we in paintball now? Hi, guys. You really paid that much money for a bowl cut?
Okay, follow me. Okay, follow me. Guys, I'm not going to
Yeah, I want to be Samurai.
This is the competitive part.
Wait. Well, now that I'm in a working server.
Bus cut, bro. Bus cut.
Bro, there's no string. There's no string.
Bounce off and jump on here.
No. Why is Dr.
Who's Dr. Eggman? Who's Dr. Eggman?
No.
Who's Dr. Eggman?
Put your outfit back on.
Bro.
The controllers are
Bro, Lime, please put that outfit back on.
What,
I
the
wanna
dragon?
see it again. Yeah.
This was before.
Wait, no, it's not you, it's not you. Look at the guy next to you. Look at
This
the guy
guy?
next to you, right there. No. Brown. Yeah, that's Dr. Eggman.
Guys.
He called him Dr. Eggman. Man, I feel sorry. He called you Dr. Eggman. And disrespect him.
Guys, look at how smooth his brain is.
I have 500. I got 600 shiny rocks, guys. I'm rich.
Hey, do you
I'm trying to do
Do you
parkour.
want the dice for free? No. I'm coming. Hey, do you want the dice for free?
I got this.
Okay. No. I'm getting this dice.
All you need to do is to get where yellow is, and then just launch yourself. Bro, we got the rec room music playing. This lobby fire. Hurry up, guys.
Yo. is how I do it.
Bro, I can beat this in first try.
So did I.
Come on, I can beat this first try.
It might look weird, but
Bro, I'm beating
I
this
know.
first try, by the
So
way.
did I. It's not that impressive.
Oh my god.
And I usually do it with the speed boost on too. Yo.
Most of the time I do it is
Mister. Yo. What's up, guys? What's up?
Big stone.
Yo, the green beans?
Wait, the monsters
Memes,
are at,
memes,
the
VR,
monsters
hey.
are always at the place
Hey,
that we need to go. The monsters are always
Yeah,
at the place
YouTube
that we
channel.
need to go.
Shark. Why is your name Shark?
yes,
But you're not blue. Or gray? Go get him, Blue. Blue, go, go, go. Alright, Blue, keep going, keep going, keep going. Blue, what? Blue, come out here. Look at this. Come look at this.
There's two.
Hold on.
There's two.
Gray, look at this. Oh.
There's two monsters right there. No. Okay. The monsters going where.
This guy's doing some weird stuff.
The monsters are at where you need to go.
That brother's floating in the air. Bro, he's hacking. I just punched the moderator. Hold on, door. Oh no, I lost Dr. Eggman. Yo, I'm gonna go play with the gliders. I don't think there's ever a public server in this game. I don't think there's ever a public server in this. I went in a public server and that took me out. Yeah, what's up? That was the cleanest jump off I've ever seen. I don't see Lava Monkey Glider. He's coming! Alright, hope you guys liked the video. See you next time.